Good morning, children. Good morning, children. Today, our topic is about weather and season. I request everyone to open your course book, page number 1, weather and season. Once I'm reading for you, so after reading, I'll explain it. Weather and season. Weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere or air of a place at a particular time. Sometimes the air is hot and sometimes it is cold. We often see bright sunny days, but sometimes there are cloudy or rainy days. The weather of a place changes from day to day. It can be hot, cool, sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, or snowy depending upon where we live. Seasons. When weather remains the same for a long time, we call it a season. There are 5 seasons in India. Seasons in India: summer, rainy or monsoon, autumn, winter, and spring. These are the 5 seasons. Number 1, summer season. Summer, it is very hot during summer. April, May, and June are summer months. Hot wind blows during the day. We do not go outside and prefer to stay indoors. We use fans, coolers, and air conditioners to keep ourselves cool. We wear light color cotton clothes to keep us comfortable. We like to have cold drinks, ice creams, and juicy fruits such as watermelons, cucumber, and mangoes. Rainy or monsoon season. In the months of July, August, and September, many places in India get rainfall. The sky gets covered with dark clouds. Sometimes lightning and thundering are also common. We wear raincoats and gumboots and carry umbrellas when we go out in the rain. Rainwater collects in puddles. It is fun to float paper boats in puddles. Sometimes we see a rainbow after it has rained. Turn the page. Page number 3. Autumn season. Autumn season comes after monsoon and before winter. October and November are the autumn months in India. Look into your books, everyone. The weather is pleasant during this season. Trees shed their leaves in autumn. Winter season. It is very cold during winter. December and January are coldest months in India. Cold wind blow. It snows in some places. We use heaters or light fire to keep ourselves warm. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. We have hot food and drink such as milk, tea, coffee, and soup in winter. Spring season. In India, the spring months are February and March. It is very pleasant during this time, not too hot nor too cold. Flowers are in full bloom in this season. So, whenever I ask you to read, you have to read in such a way with punctuations, commas, full stops, pronunciations, everything. So, now coming to the topic, I'll share you the screen. Weather and seasons. Weather is the condition of atmosphere or air at a place in a particular time. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere. Atmosphere means whatever present around the earth, or air, you call it as air, at a particular place and particular time. So some places may have sunny, some places may have cloudy, rainy, snowy. So like the different places depend upon the atmosphere, they have different weather conditions. So it is the condition of the atmosphere or air of a place at a particular time. So these are the different weather symbols you can see here. Sunny, partially sunny and partially cloudy, second one. Then cloudy. Next, rainy, stormy, snowy. Yes, everything. These are the symbols. Next, sometimes the air is hot and sometimes it is cool. We often see bright sunny days, but sometimes they are cloudy or rainy also. So sometimes it may be hot and sometimes it may be cold. So we often see bright sunny days and sometimes cloudy and rainfall also. Next, the weather of a place changes from day to day. So day to day it changes. It may be hot, cool, sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy or snowy depending upon where we live. So depending upon the place where we live. For example, we are in India, we experience all the 5 seasons. But some countries know a rainy season may fall snow, and sometimes autumn and winter comes together for some places. So it depends upon the place where we live. The weather of a place changes from day to day. It can be hot, cool, sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy or snowy depending upon where we live. These are all the different weather conditions: hot, cool, sunny. Okay, so keep this in your mind. Then these are the different symbols of these conditions. See, hot, cloudy, rainy, stormy, windy and snowy. So these are the different weather signs. Signs means symbols. Now coming to the seasons. When weather remains the same for a long time, then it is called season. For example, now the weather is very cold. So this is called, now we are in starting stage of like autumn, means trees are shedding their leaves. Next, after this November, in December month, our winter will start too severely. Means already winter start, but too severely it will be in December month and January. Too much cold will be, and this weather continues for 2 months. And this is called a season. Now we are in winter season. Then seasons in India. Mainly there are 5 seasons in India: summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. Summer season. You know summer season? Yes, monsoon, or you may call it as rainy season. Monsoon is also called as rainy season. Next, autumn. Trees shed their leaf. Winter, cool season. And spring. Spring is the beautiful season of the year because flowers bloom wherever you see green color you can see. Now one by one we will see. Okay. Next, first one, summer season. It is very hot during summer. April, May and June are summer months. Okay, it is very hot in summer season. April, May and June. Yes, these are summer seasons. These 3 months, yes, they come under summer season. And we sweat a lot in summer season. Hot wind blows during the daytime. Hot, hot. The weather will be very hot and you can't even expect. See, that's the reason people know they cover their ears and nose with the handkerchiefs. White color handkerchiefs or white color towels during summer season, because the hot winds will go into our ears and nose and it may affect our health. So that's the reason hot winds blow during these summer days. So we protect our body, or we protect ourselves by staying at home itself. So see here, we do not go outside and we prefer to stay indoor. People don't go outside in summer season, especially in the afternoon times. If they have any works, they complete either in the morning time, yes, by 10 o'clock, or in the evening time, like 6 to 7. But during the daytime, like that is noon time, from starting from 11 o'clock to 3 o'clock, around this time, the summer will be very hot. You can't even come outside also. That's the reason people prefer to stay indoor at home, and they use fans, coolers, air conditions to keep themselves cool. We people also, we are also, when we stay at home during summer season, we use coolers, fans or air conditions to keep ourselves cool because it is very hot outside. And we wear light color cotton clothes to keep ourselves cool and comfortable in summer season. So we wear light colored cotton clothes. We don't go for dark color and heavy like woolen clothes. Okay, we wear light color cotton clothes to keep ourselves comfortable. It's very good to wear cotton clothes during summer season. And very important thing for you, we like to have cool drinks, ice creams, and juicy fruits such as watermelons, cucumbers, and mangoes. So these are the food items we eat in summer. So you mostly we drink more water in summer, and cool drinks also we prefer. Yes, and even fruit juices also we take. Lime juice, especially lime juice. We drink more lime juice in summer because lemon water keeps us cool and comfortable in summer. Next, we eat ice creams. We prefer ice creams, and even we eat juicy fruits like watermelon, cucumber and mango. These comes in this season very effectively, so we eat these fruits. So this is about summer season. Now coming to next one, that is rainy season. Rain or monsoon season. You may call it as rain or monsoon. Yes, in the month of July, August, and September, many people in India get rainfall. So, in India, we get rains during July, August, and September. So, last time in August, it rained very severely, no, in Telangana. So, same. So, rainy season or monsoon season, mostly in India, we get rains in July, August, and September. And the sky gets covered with dark clouds. Yes, sometimes lightnings and thunderings also common. So when it is raining, when in the rainy season especially, the sky it gets covered with dark color clouds. Lightnings and thunderings also you can hear and see during rainy season. Next, we wear raincoats and gum boots and carry umbrella when we go out in the rain. Yes, during rainy season, what we do? We wear raincoats and we also wear gumboots and carry umbrella when we go out in the rain. Next, rainwater collects in puddles. It is fun to float paper boats in puddles. So children like you, when it's raining heavily, go outside and play in the water, in the puddles. Puddles means small water ponds. And you play with the paper boats also. So children like playing in rainwater with these paper boats and all. So this rainwater gets collected in puddles and fun with playing with these paper boats in the puddles. Next, sometimes we see a rainbow after it has rained. So, rainbow also we can see in this season, rainbow. After raining, suddenly the rain stops. Again the sun comes. What happens? Due to that reaction of the sun, that lightning and all, you can see the rainbows also during this season. Okay? Next. Start writing the keywords for this lesson.